Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful gift box for any occasion. So this is a gift hamper I have created for Holi festival, and it can open like this. This is having magnetic closure, and inside this I have put some chocolate, and on back side we will get a pocket in which I have added two tags to add any message, and also I have added this packet of gulal. So in this way you can convert this hamper to any occasion, like for birthday, for Holi, for Diwali. According to the occasion you can put gifts inside this, and this is super easy and super quick idea to make anytime for your dearer ones. In front also there is a pocket where you can put any tag. So let's get started. For this we need some 3mm quilling strips, scissor, half cut pearl, quilling tool, some distress ink and ink blending tool, liquid glue, some stencils to create background, and pink color cardstock. First I am taking this pink cardstock which measures 16 by 11 centimeters, and this is having 250 GSM thickness. Now from left side I am creasing on 1.5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 13 centimeters and 14.5 centimeters. Now rotate your cardstock and from left side creasing on 1.5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. So here I am creating a pocket, and it should look like this. Now folding all the creases. Then I am chopping the corners like this. Okay, in the same way I will cut from all the sides. Now here I have added tacky tape on this small folded portion, so just removing the liner and connecting and constructing the pocket. So pocket is ready. Now for the base I am taking this sheet which measures 30 by 10 centimeters, and from the left side I am creasing on 18 centimeters and 20 centimeters. I have given all the link for supplies in description box, you can check there. Now fold these creases. Like this, and then I will going to put my pocket inside this. So again I am taking my tacky tape and connecting the pocket. If you don't have tacky tape you can also use liquid adhesive, but tacky tape works faster than glue, that's why I am using it, but you can use any kind of adhesive. So this is done. Now I'm taking one more sheet which measures 12 by 5 centimeters, and I have folded from 3 sides on 1 centimeters. So here I am creating a small pocket which I will add in the front. Now just chop the corners and connect the pocket on front part. Like this. Now for back side I am making one more pocket. For this I am taking the sheet which measures 13.5 by 10.5 centimeters, and from 3 sides I am folding on 1.5 centimeters. Like this. So first chopping these bottom corners, and I am cutting the top like this. So the height is 4 centimeter here. Similarly, the height of this side is 9 centimeters. So I am going to cut it diagonally like this. In this way we will get diagonal pocket. Now I will add adhesive on these folded strips, and I am going to connect my pocket on back side of the box. So the base of our hamper is ready. Now it's time to attach magnet for the closure of box. So I'm just going to put the magnet in front like this. So again using the tacky tape and adding both the magnets. So it will work like this. Super easy. Now I am creating my own pattern paper. For this I am taking this 10 centimeter wide cardstock, and using this beautiful scroll stencil I am making design, and I am using rainbow colors. Since this is the festival of colors, it's Holi time, so I have decided to make colorful pattern paper. So I'm just blending the rainbow shades with each other one by one. And the base cardstock is having 250 GSM thickness. This is completely optional process. If you have beautiful colorful pattern paper readily with you, you can use directly those papers. But since I didn't have any colorful paper, so I have decided to make my own pattern papers. So in this way you can create your own pattern paper using your own color combinations. See how beautiful the pattern is looking. In this way I will complete the pattern till end. So I have created the patterns using different stencils and different colors, and now it's time to decorate the box using these pieces. So according to the size of area I have cut my pattern papers. And the beautiful box is ready. In the same way I will connect these strips on left and right sides. Now it's time to make some quilling flowers. So for the first flower I am taking half strip of dark pink color and 1/4 strip of light pink color, and I am making Malaysian flower petal. I will join 6 petals together and I will add half cut pearl in the center. So flower is ready. Now for the second flower I am taking half strip of white color and 1/4 strip of yellow color, and I am making one tight teardrop shape. I am going to attach 5 petals with each other and I am adding half cut pearl in the center. In the same way we need 4 flowers, and for the leaf I am taking half strip of light green and 1/4 strip of dark green color and making one tight teardrop shape. I am going to adhere 3 petals together and the leaf is ready. we will be needed total 4 leaves. Also, I have created scrolls using same color combination. If you want to learn scrolls, you can check my video. Now taking back my box, and it's time to decorate it. So I have these beautiful punch border cutouts, and I'm going to decorate my box with these borders. I have used gold mirror cardstock and white cardstock to cut these borders. Then I have this beautiful tag cutout. You can just simply create by tracing any pattern randomly and make your own tag. I have added the sentiment "Thanks for being so awesome" in the center. So I'm going to put this tag like this. You can also add message like Happy Holi or Happy Diwali or Happy New Year or Happy Birthday according to your occasion. Now it's time to adhere quilling flowers. So I am arranging my flowers on left and right corners like this. Similarly, arrange the same pattern in the bottom. So after adding flowers, our box is ready and it's looking super gorgeous. I'm just loving the colors. Now it's time to put some sweets. So I'm adding the chocolate inside the big box. And on back side of the box, I am adding the gulal. I have already added these tags to add any extra messages. These tags are made using tag punch. You can write an extra message on these tags. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. I am waiting for your comments. See you next time. Bye bye.